What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm back with a video update on the Civic, which is something a lot of you guys have been asking for lately, since the last time I uploaded anything on this was about a year ago. But as you saw from the intro, a lot has changed, and I'm definitely going to go into details over all those changes. But as the title says, I'm getting rid of the Civic, so I'm going to explain what's going on with it. So I made the tough choice several months ago to sell it, mainly because it was just sitting around. I lost interest and motivation, and I wanted to start focusing on all the other projects I have in the garage. So I reached out to a good buddy of mine, Roger, who actually owns the Burnout truck, asked him if he'd be interested in buying the Civic. We struck a deal, and he ended up buying it. But here's the catch. It's not for himself, it's actually a gift for someone. So at the end of the video, you'll find out who that is. But let's get into all the details on all the upgrades on the Civic. So before the decision was made to sell the Civic, the direction on the build changed. It went from more of a street car to more of a track car. And with that, I decided to upgrade the turbo. So I went from this tiny little T3, T4 hybrid to this big old GT3582R with the upgraded billet wheel from Max Speeding Rods. With that change, I also got rid of the downpipe and made a set of up pipes with the external wastegate. And here's a little video of that build. the other updates includes this Jerry built 3-piece drag front end, some VMS drag wheels with the 5-lug front conversion only, and a livery that matches Roger's old Civic that he used to race back in the early 2000s. A carbon fiber hood, and an 8.5 cert cage with the addition of a funny car hoop. And there's one last thing that we need to do before the Civic takes off for good, and that's to make sure the 2-step still works. Let's do it. And now to reveal who actually gets the Civic, check out this video from Christmas morning.
I can't look. I can't look. I can't look. What is it? Thank you, Dad. Dang. Is that got velvet on it?
Aiden got a keychain.
Thank you.
Ginormous.
Nice.
Oh, is this
Thank you, Dad. I don't want to scream.
the
Pedal.
The e-brake.
no, it's not.
Oh.
It's the shoe.
You can set up.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, this is
Race car parts.
Yeah, so you guys can put those on your wall.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
Yes. Car things. Thank you, Dad.
Take a picture outside. Go outside. Take a picture.
I got a steering wheel. What is this? This is a
Open
whisker.
it. Come on.
I was like, how'd that get there? It's my first time seeing it.
Oh.
You said it was for Mr. Volks.
It says Aiden and Gavin Scalise.
Oh.
Can I put my steering wheel on? This is my first time seeing it. Thank you, Dad.
Starting.
Is this Mr. Volks?
This is you guys.
In the garage. My car's right there.
So that's why you guys were making it fit to me.
Okay, how do I do this? I just press that?
Yeah, you pull it. No, you gotta pull it back. Pull back. Pull back the whole hub.
Pull back the whole hub. How do I
Yeah.
do that?
You said it was Mr.
It's the one on the way on the left.
It's ready, Aiden.
You don't need an actor. First, full take off.
Your first race is in February. You're gonna run the junior street class. It's from 13-year-old to 16-year-old. So that's why it has a street tire. It can't be, it's gotta be a registered car. Yeah?
Yeah?
So, we're gonna tell them you're 13.
Okay.
The race seat that I got for it, you saw it, right, Gav?
Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't fit, so that's why we need a different seat. That's why it's got that seat in there.
That's why Aiden went in and checked. Okay. Like for the roll cage?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I don't know what to say.
Are you shocked?
I'm shocked.
Very cool.
Oh, Merry Christmas! Thank you, Dad.
You gonna take me to the store? Let's see how quickly we can get to Bonds.
Now, how awesome was that? I'm sure all of you guys would love to get a race car for Christmas at that age. I know I would have. But Aiden and Gavin will be racing the Civic in the NHRA Junior Street Class. I'll be helping out wherever I can, so there'll definitely be future content on the Civic. But this video is actually going to wrap up the whole build series. I really hope you guys have enjoyed the videos and maybe you've learned a thing or two. And going forward for 2023, I'm really pushing to get some more videos out for you guys for all the other projects I have going on. So please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned. And as always, I appreciate you guys checking this out. I'll see you next time.